Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite instructor, Blossoming Jasmine. And in this tutorial, I'm recreating this bedazzled Wonsii wrap. So I'm going to take my syringe and my E6000 glue, of course, my crystal katana, and my Swarovski crystals. Now my Swarovski crystal of choice is the color aqua and the size SS20. If you want to achieve this look, you definitely have to use a very large stone, which makes it easier on you and cuts back on the cost and your time. So as you can see, I'm using a paperweight to weigh down this Wonsii wrap because it's not shaped as like a square. So I'm trying to make sure that as I bling, I want my surface to be flat. So I just use an up and down method, which is, no pattern. I make sure that I am filling the gaps, and that's simply the technique that I use for this tutorial. The last thing that I want to mention is these different events that are going on that I want to speak to the owner of the Wonsii wrap about. So I'm talking to the owner and also my YouTube subscribers. So if you're a business owner, if you're someone who cares about the hair care industry, or if you're trying to grow your business, this is definitely something you want to listen up to. So the first thing I'm going to mention is a conference that I will be attending this year, August 23rd through August 26th. It is called the Who's the Boss Conference, and at the very end of this video, there are clips and videos just basically advertising the conference. So Courtney Adeleye, she made over $100 million in sales in just 6 years. She started her YouTube channel making products by hand and just basically expanded her company, and now the main choice is in stores, Walmart, Target, just all throughout America and around the world. So I'm attending that conference. I think it'd be a great opportunity for the owner of the Wonsii wrap, in addition to a lot of my subscribers. If you want to attend, there is a financial investment that is needed, and you can go to the Who's the Boss Conference.com, or you can look it up. It's the Boss Conference on Instagram. And I'll be attending if you want to meet me there. The next thing that I'm going to let you know about is the Black Girls Making Millions Academy. I noticed that Curls, the hair care company, is sponsoring you. So I think it'd be a great idea if you participated in her Black Girls Making Millions Academy, and she also has a retreat. The last thing that I'm going to mention is the My Retreat by my Leek, who is the owner of the Curl Box. And I think it's a great thing if this is your thing, to co-mingle with other business owners and other people. You get to meet these women who have accumulated hundreds of millions of dollars. So I hope that what I've said has added value not only to the owner of the Wonsii wrap, but to my subscribers. I hope that if you join me, put a crown emoji down at the bottom. And if you don't see me at this event, I'll catch you at another one. So enjoy this tutorial. Tag me and the Wonsii wrap in any products that you create that are blinged out that are with the Wonsii wrap. So you guys stay amazing. In about a couple of seconds, you're going to see the videos for all of the events that I just mentioned, which is the Who's the Boss Conference, the Black Girls Making Millions, and of course, the My Retreat by my Leek. So stay amazing. If you haven't already, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and follow me on YouTube at Blossoming Jasmine. Love you lots, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay tuned and keep watching to the end.
Last year in Las Vegas, we defined what a boss truly is. This year, I'm taking it to Miami to show you how to become a boss over your life. I've brought an all-star team from all walks of life. These women have stories that defy odds. Miss Bling, Judy, Super, let us show you how to turn nothing into millions.
When you have the mindset of reinvesting, investing, wealth building, you're going to think about life differently. If you get a $5,000 check, a wealthy person is going to invest it versus buying that Chanel bag.
I think the idea of getting anywhere and arriving anywhere is like once you reach those goals, I think it's important to have goals and set those very clearly and plainly and then work and drive yourself toward them. But you always have to be thinking about what's next and what's greater.
This academy is truly inspiring, just being around so many Black women who want to take their lives and take control of their lives in their own hands and really create generational wealth for their families. And just so many gems have been dropped.
So I think that when you have a mindset of abundance rather than a poverty mindset, like there's just enough for me, there's not enough to go around, that's really what that millionaire mindset is.
So much criticism for why not black men? Why just black women? Because I want to. I want to help you guys, okay?
My prayer for you, my sister, my Wonder Woman warrior, is that you will wake up every morning and will remember this moment when you stood in the shores of the earth, sandwiched between God's consistency and man's ability.
I see obstacles as opportunities to overcome and receive greatness.